How to add or change your bio on your public profile on Snapchat app. So hello guys, first thing you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. All what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your profile, scroll down until you find my public profile, click on it, click on edit profile. Now you will find add bio right here, click on it, and you can add your bio from here. Easy and fast. And after you finish, it will be updated automatically, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.